Kaye Putnam here, psychology-driven brand strategist. Today, we're going to continue our education in the world of brand archetypes. We are going to explore each archetype with examples from a variety of brands, and then share a quick tip on how to leverage these archetypes if you're building a brand with that particular archetype. Let's get started. Caregiver, well-known example is Johnson & Johnson. They're known for their nurturing products that focus on family care. It's a platform dedicated to finding caregivers and literally has it in its name. They symbolize support and empathy. Tom's Shoes, primarily known for their footwear, embodies the caregiver archetype through their one-for-one giving model, where they donate a pair of shoes to a child in need for every pair purchased. If you're a caregiver, highlight how your services nurture and support client growth. For creator, Apple is renowned for its innovative and aesthetically pleasing technology products. Adobe Creative Cloud provides tools that empower digital creativity in a variety of realms. And then a newer brand to the scene, Canva, enables easy and creative graphic design for everyone. They have a bit of the girl next door in them as well. If you are this archetype, emphasize your unique creative solutions and how they inspire transformation. The entertainer, also known as the jester, an example for them is Old Spice. In the last decade, they have transitioned from an old stodgy brand into these humorous and quirky advertising campaigns. The Dollar Shave Club is famous for their witty and entertaining marketing, from that viral video that went wild on the internet.
Why does Dollar Shave Club give you such a high quality shave for such a great price? Because we're not. Dollar Shave Club, epic razors, epically affordable. Also, we're in tons of stores now, real stores.
They really set the standard when it comes to being entertaining in their marketing. Poopery uses humor to market a unconventional product. If you're also the entertainer, inject humor and lightheartedness into your brand communication. For Explore, Jeep is synonymous with adventure and off-road exploration. Airbnb experiences offer unique travel experiences that satisfy our wanderlust. And then Patagonia promotes outdoor apparel aligned with the spirit of exploration. If you're the explorer, position your brand as the gateway to new experiences, learning, and trying new things. The girl or guy next door, also known as the everyman, example of this is Levi's. It's a brand that embodies classic, reliable denim for everyone. And then there's Etsy, a marketplace for unique handmade goods that resonate with everyday people. Literally anybody can sell on Etsy. Warby Parker has revolutionized the eyeglasses industry, making trendy glasses accessible at a price point that is available to almost anybody. And if you are this brand, craft messages that are relatable and grounded. For Hero, Nike is the classic example. They inspire athleticism and perseverance in sports. Just do it. GoPro is another great example. They empower people to capture their adventurous feats. A lesser known example would be Life Buoy Soap. While they're not as globally renowned as some of the other brands, they fit the hero archetype through their public health campaigns. Brand's mission is to promote hygiene and help combat preventable diseases like diarrhea and pneumonia, especially in developing countries. Positions itself as a protector and a savior, which resonates with the heroic and noble qualities of the archetype. If this is you, emphasize the triumph over challenges and the journey to success. Dove is a classic example of the innocent archetype. They promote natural beauty and simplicity in their products. The Honest Company, with founder Jessica Alba, offers baby products and family products with an emphasis on safety and clean ingredients. And then Burt's Bees has a similar message with their simple, earth-friendly brand. If you're the innocent archetype, keep your brand voice and imagery pure, simple, and optimistic. For the lover brand archetype, we have Victoria's Secret, classic example that symbolizes romance and sensuality. A newer example would be Glossier, a beauty and skincare brand, which embodies the lover archetype in the digital space through its emphasis on enhancing natural beauty, self-care, and then creating a personal connection with their customers. Their marketing focuses on encouraging their customers to love and pamper themselves. And we also have Godiva chocolates. They're associated with indulgence and romantic gifting. If you're the lover archetype, use language and imagery that evoke passion and sensory pleasure. Our next archetype is the magician. Classic example here is Disney, who creates the most magical place on earth and transformative entertainment experiences. We also have Tesla, who has revolutionized the auto industry through their innovative technology. whether you love or hate Elon Musk. We also have Dyson, who has transformed everyday normal appliances into objects of sophisticated technology. If you're the magician, showcase the transformative and even magical aspects of your products and services. Next, we have the Maverick, also known as the Outlaw. And classic example is Harley Davidson, who epitomizes the rebellious spirit and freedom of the road. A lesser quoted example might be Vice Media, who's known for their bold and unconventional journalism. Another example is Brewdog. They're a brewery that challenges the traditional beer industry norms. If you're the Maverick, you want to embrace and communicate a bold, unconventional approach. The ruler or the royal, example here is Rolex. They represent the ultimate in luxury, power, and status with watches and timepieces. Online, we have LinkedIn. They're a platform that symbolizes professional success and leadership. Another example is The Economist. They embody authority and knowledge in global affairs. If you're the royalty brand, position yourself as an authoritative and aspirational figure in your niche. Finally, we have the Sage. An example of the Sage archetype is Google, who is a source of endless information and knowledge. We also have TED Talks, who offer insightful and thought-provoking ideas. And then also The New Yorker, known for their insightful and in-depth journalism. If you're the Sage, focus on providing wisdom, knowledge, and valuable insights. Understanding and embracing your brand's archetype can transform how you connect with your audience and how you position your brand. For more insights on psychology-driven branding, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, let's keep building a brand that shares your genius with the world.